How to remove your account from other devices on Instagram. So to be able to log out and remove your Instagram account from other devices, what you'll need to do is to change your account password. To do that, go open your Instagram application. Make sure that you're using the account that you want to remove from other devices. Click on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile tab, click the three lines icon on the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings, click on Accounts Center, then click Password, then tap Change Password. After that, type in your current and the new password that you're going to use. Tap on Change Password. After that, you'll either be asked if you want to log out your Instagram account in other devices, wherein you just click yes, or it will just automatically log out. So that is how to remove your account from other devices on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.